guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Jordan Zoom 92. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, plus that blue thumbs up looks so damn nice. Drop some love in the comment section below, we try our best to reply to every single comment thrown our way. We do the reviewing here, and I just want to take this time to thank all our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this, so let's get on with it. So today we've got a look at the Jordan Zoom 92, and we got this in the black Vault Chili Red colorway, and we got this bad boy in a UK size 7.5, it's a European 42, and it is a US 8.5. And you got this black Jordan box with a gold Jumpman. If I remember correctly, a couple of the other Air Jordan 7s came in this box. I'll mention why Air Jordan 7 is quite important. Let's get opening. So, there we go. Here it is, the Jordan Zoom 92. Now I know what you lot are asking, why 92? And that is because this sneaker is built up of three the greatest sneakers in my generation that came out in 1992. So that is the Air 180, the Nike Air 180. I'm not the biggest fan of the Air Force 5. I'll be honest, I can't, for the life of me, I can't really remember it. But the Air Jordan 7 is my favorite Jordan because it's for you 92 babies, which I am. And it was one of the first Air Jordans I've ever bought. I bought the Air Jordan 7 Orion Blue. Since that, an affection, I've had a love for the Air Jordan 7, and I can see some of its DNA in the sneaker. But before we get into it, let's start with the outsole. So this outsole is made out of a translucent rubber. It's pretty much see-through. You can see the Zoom pods there, and it says Zoom. You got the Jordan logo at the heel, and in the middle you got the Nike Air. You can't really see it, but it's quite similar to the Air Jordan 7 sole. So you've got bits of those circles around the Jumpman, and you've got a lot of herringbone on the outsole. Moving along onto the midsole unit. So despite this being a hybrid of a lifestyle sneaker and a basketball sneaker, there's only one Zoom Air unit, and you can find that in the forefoot. I say one, you can see two pods there, see-through. And unfortunately, there's no air unit at the back. You can only see it in the forefoot. Personally, I wouldn't recommend play basketball in these. There's no cushion at the back here, so this is more of a lifestyle sneaker. So moving along onto the upper, you can see a lot of the Air Jordan 7 DNA, starting from the toe box area. So this whole front is very reminiscent of an Air Jordan 7, and it's made out of suede. It feels really nice. Moving along onto the middle, so there's a lot of textile materials. You can see it's around here, just above the Zoom unit. It's pretty see-through. Moving along on to the uppers, it's all textiles. You can see a Nike swoosh right there with the plastic Zoom Air logo here. And on the medial side, you can see a Jumpman logo, whereas on the lateral side, as I mentioned, you see the Zoom Air. The cushioning is quite high. It's not the same as an Air Jordan 7, where that's a Huarache sock line. So I think this is where the Air Force 5 is. I'm not 100% sure. Again, I'm not the best when it comes to Air Jordan 5. Like looks wise, because for the life of me, I can't really remember what it looks like. But this tongue is, again, it's the Air Jordan 7. You've got the neoprene there. And more so on the top, you've got a neon green Jumpman logo. This is more flimsy though. As I mentioned before, the Air Jordan 7 has a neoprene. It's more softer, it's a bit thicker. And going along onto the back, again, you can see the Air Jordan 7 DNA with the back tab here with the pull and this 9. Most Air Jordan 7s, they have a 23, but the Olympic Jordan 7s, they had the number 9 because that was Michael Jordan's Olympic number. I mean, personally, I would have liked to have seen this with a 23 because the black and the red, that's more of a Bulls color. But I guess the 9 is there to represent that it was 92 Barcelona Olympics where the Dream Team was so dominant. Moving along more onto the heel, so you feels like it's more cushions, this midsole unit. As I mentioned, there is no heel support, so this foam, it's more of an injected unit. And you've got the heel saying Air. And the laces are round laces with a normal crisscross action that we like to see. Now, with all that said, I can't, for the life of me, I really can't see the Air 180 DNA on this. Yeah, it's a shame because they could have implemented the Air 180 Air unit right here at the back, but it's just a missed opportunity in my opinion. But in regards to its look, I really dig the collar. Very reminiscent of it's an Air Jordan 7 for neon. I want to say, is it the chili ones? I totally forgot. Guys, if you know what Jordan 7 I'm talking about, I should know this. I'm really upset that I don't. But there was like a neon green. It was very fluorescent. There was some yellow bits of yellow, but it's black. If anyone knows, drop it in the comment section below. I'd love to know, and we'll just clear my mind. With all that said, I can't wait to try these on. So I'll roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I do recommend that you get your true to size Air Jordan Nike fit. My toes are where they're meant to be, right there. I don't feel like it's pushing on the very top too much. I feel like if it is like a Huarache because of the neoprene, so I feel like my feet are getting hugged. That's the right words for that. If you know what I mean, you'll get it. You will get it. But from the top down, it does look like an Air Jordan 7 because of the shapes of the toe box. Really nice that Nike/Jordan brand have done a great tribute to the 92 sneakers of old. And I'm not really mad at it. Really cool. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.